Good morning, peeps. I want to say welcome to my channel, and we're in a different, whoa, hey, buddy, what are you doing? We're in a different setting today, and I want to talk to you real quick about the number one thing that will help you in selling your artwork. All right, so as you can see, I'm out in a pasture. This is my girl. This is Tico. Yeah, she's looking at me funny. Sorry. Anyways, so there's a reason that I chose to do the video out here. So for me, this is the whole meaning of what would sell art for me. Believe it or not, the thing that will sell your artwork is not your skill and not your abilities, how popular you are, like marketing, traffic. You could have literally thousands of followers, but if you don't have this one thing, you're not going to sell anything, and that is connection. So you have to be able to connect to the person that you're selling to. So why I bring you out here is horses. Horses are a passion for me. So I literally have horses all over my house, like horse pictures, horse pillows, horse blankets, whatever it might be. I'm more willing to buy something that has horses on it than anything else. And so the biggest thing is that connection. What are you making that connects you to your people? There's a couple different reasons why I say this. So believe it or not, so I've spent anywhere from like 20 minutes on a painting or drawing to like 30 to 50 hours on a drawing or painting. And it's actually not the pieces that I think look better or the pieces that I think have better composition or whatever it might be, but it's always the ones that it just kind of pricked somebody's heart a little bit. Like, I could put out all these pictures of horses, but if someone goes, oh, that one looks like my horse, that's the connection. So another thing is to note about all of that is, yes, you want to keep improving on your skill set, and you want to learn composition, learn anatomy, learn color theory, but understand that knowing those things and being proficient in those things is still not going to sell your artwork. Now, the reason that we have things like color theory and composition and anatomy and all these things to improve your skill is so you can make that connection. Make sense? So that's all for now, peeps. I hope you are enjoying your January. I'm going to go in and save my child. Get on my email list if you want to be notified when I have new video series or product launches or freebies or giveaways, anything, all the stuff, all the fun stuff, okay? It's the place to be. Get on it. Later.